So please welcome Dr. Saba Mohammed Alinazad Kolahdouz from UM with Breaking the Wall of Stroke Recovery at Home.
Let me ask you something. How many of you know someone who has had a stroke? Maybe it was a parent, a grandparent, a friend. One day, they could hold a cup of coffee, button a shirt, hug someone they love. And the next day, they couldn't. That's because after a stroke, the connection between body and brain can suddenly break down. And this is a reality that millions of families face around the world. But movement is not just all about muscles. Movement depends on communication between body and brain, that after a stroke, the brain no longer receives clear sensory information from the body. Imagine reaching for something in complete darkness without fully knowing where your arm is. That's sad, but this is how a movement can feel for millions of stroke survivors. The problem can even become more critical after a person leaves the hospital, because first 3 months is the most critical window for brain recovery, yet many stroke survivors receive less to no rehabilitation supports after hospital discharge. Yes, there are some rehabilitation options out there, but currently, rehab system mostly focus on output. Like, did the arm move? Did the patient complete exercises? The same approach is often used for everyone. But at SynapPlay, our venture, we focus on input. Because the brain cannot relearn movement effectively if it cannot properly feel it. SynapPlay is a neurorehabilitation platform that combines interactive rehabilitation exercise with a wearable wrist device that delivers sensory information during movement. Every time a user reaches, the wearable device sends sensory signal back to the brain in real time at a level that actually patient can feel it, trying to restore missing communication loop between sensation and movement. And while patients train at home, our platform continuously monitoring movement quality, allowing clinicians to remotely personalize therapy in a most critical stage of the recovery. So, this is not just another wearable device. We are redefining rehabilitation from exercise training to brain communication. The impact: more independence for stroke survivors, less burden on caregivers, and a rehab that goes beyond hospital walls. This is SynapPlay, helping stroke patients reach again.